Okay, go. Wait, I should probably do an introduction. Okay, we're in writer's craft class, and Janita, it's really loud. Janita and I are going through the dictionary, picking random words, and just kind of throwing them into sentences that we randomly come up with. So here it goes. You can watch the dictionary as we do this. Let's see. Oh, there's the dictionary.
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 Okay, I'm gonna pick a page.
I want like one of the first ones. That page, right there.
Okay, I want this word right here. Alaska Highway.
Sure. Alaska Highway is our first word today.
Sounds lovely. Okay, what the other page?
How about one of the last pages?
Go for it.
Let's go with
that one. Okay. So loud. This word right here. Vent.
Vent. We picked the dumbest word. Okay. That page right there, go.
No, it's dumb. Mithridates the Sixth.
No, we're not doing
No.
that.
New word.
Okay. There.
Okay.
Oh, creepy is looking.
Look how creepy that is.
Okay, anyways.
Okay. This word right here.
No, it's dumb. These are all people, that's really
Yeah, no, people, okay. So right here.
In the spine of the book.
The word spine. No, wrong one again. Okay. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. You ready?
Okay.
Ready? This one. Hospitalization.
Hospitalization. Okay, apparently I can't.
Hospitalization.
Wait, what was that?
There we go. Okay, we got it.
Okay.
Okay. That one. This one right here. Freaky.
Freaky. Okay, go. Wait.
Okay, right here.
As a what?
Lodgepole Pine.
I'm not doing that.
No.
That page, go.
Maternity ward.
Yes.
That's so good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. What's our sentence? Okay. Now that I've been crying. Okay. We need to make a sentence out of these words. Alaska Highway. Vent. Hospitalization. Freaky.
And clearly we told her to figure out who would get it.
And maternity ward.
Meet Janita.
Hi.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, seriously.
Okay, as the freaky man.
Why is it always a man?
Was traveling down the Alaska Highway.
Musk? I can't spell. Are you doing yours too? She's helping with mine.
This is the partner one, actually.
She's helping with words. Okay, as the freaky man was traveling.
What happened?
Down
Where?
the Alaska Highway. Okay, now we have vent, hospitalization, and maternity ward. He smelled. So good. Okay, he wanted to vent. To vent about his hospitalization. Apparently I can't spell either. Okay. About his hospitalization and the maternity ward. T. Okay, so here's our sentence for the day. As the freaky man was traveling down the Alaska highway, he wanted to vent about his hospitalization and the maternity ward. Anyways, our day for today is going to be pancreatitis. Simply because our first sentence that we came up with was, yesterday, a young Manx woman was walking down the street with a concern of pancreatitis. Goodbye, YouTube. I'll see you later.